talk about the digitalization space, I would like to bring to the picture that there are 750 million users of internet today in India. 750 million. Out of that, 500 million are mobile users. So that is the space, that is the market which is growing for all of us. And as a NBFC or as a bank, we are all kind of seeing that and kind of hooked to that growth in a very, very hungry way. And we are very optimistic about in the coming years also. While that's said and done, as per the IRDA, we are going to close this year with $49.5 billion of digital insurance, growing to $76 billion by 2029. So it's a CAGR of around 23-24%. So this actually, I think even a blind man, if he hears, he knows what his strategy is going to be for the next few years. So yes, we are investing very heavily on the InsurTech space as NBFC. Bank assurance becomes a key channel. See, what typically happens from our side is we leverage the strength of the insurer because he brings his own strength of AI and ML machine learning to us. But we also have data input. So we have customers, we are aware spending patterns. We also do some kind of research. We are aware of his social presence, his digital presence, his demographics, and his lifestyle choices. So basis that we kind of work on leveraging, the products for a certain profile. So basically using the adaptive tools that the AI and ML bring, we kind of do the risk profiling, and on those risk profiling, we select those products. So let's say if I'm aware a customer, he's taken a loan of a commercial vehicle from me, and he's 35, 36, unmarried. We know that he's setting up a business as he gets getting married soon. We would offer him a life insurance right away. So, or a group mediclaim policy so that he covers his wife or spouse in that. Or if somebody is going to have a child soon, then we offer a life insurance. So typically, segmentation and personalization is the key thing.